Look at this bell stand. Interactive bell stand. Wireless bells over here. Let's try this one. I hope we don't get copyright strike. That's what we... Pretty cool music playing. Yeah, you can press every button to hear the doorbell sound. I hope worker will not kick me out for this. I hope the worker will not get me out. I have to film quick before worker comes here. Anyway, last week this bell. There's also like the two-tone chime. Yeah, there's a doorbell stand. So I'm not gonna record anymore because the worker will come in a minute.